DCDMNQ on the 2.
Test 1.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th.
Welcome aboard, everyone. What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely
Speed of NQ lower bands touch NQ on the 20 of NQ 62.
I'm Michael Oathbrew.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th.
Are you ready? Indeed. We've got a few changes around here. We're going to see a few more charts and then a few less charts. I've gotten some feedback. Some people want to see additional time frames and other things like particularly the wave and tide, but at the same time we've got people who don't want to see that, so we've got this
Speed
for
of NQ 62.
those of you who appreciate the clear, straightforward, give me one chart please, please don't cry, yada yada. Let's get to it. I'm on my way to 50k. Get some 50k hype in the chat. Currently up 44,930. Big numbers. We've got contract rollover coming next week, as we talked about before. Let me show you guys what I think is coming here this afternoon. We are right in the center of prior close and prior highs. If you are looking at your MACV chart, here's where I'm looking for that information. Prior high, prior close. The P point is down here. We've already visited and touched it. We have not touched prior high. So we could give a fake out and push all the way up there. That is the one we don't want to get caught off sides on. You get caught off sides on that, you're toast. So we're going to be following in on the MACV Ultimate here this afternoon. We've got almost 2 hours to the close on a Friday. And remember, Fridays are those days that oftentimes you don't want to trade against the upward direction. However, what's coming next week? I'm going to keep reminding you, contract rollover. And how can you know that with our system? Right there, next rollover date is always going to show it to you right there. It's going to be the 17th of next month. I'm sorry, next week. I'm like, next month? No. Thinking of the month of the rollover, and it is on the 17th. All right. There will also, an announcement over the weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, so we've got, of course, our best offer ever there for all-encompassing. And don't forget, at the end of June, there are no more Enigmas. 0. So don't come back later on and be like, oh, I wanted the Enigma. I told you, We're not doing Enigma anymore. We did the last release right here, and this is it. We filled up the seats, and I don't want too many people entering in on those positions and giving up our edge, particularly on the NASDAQ, my baby. All right. Okay, let's get to some things. A few changes. We're gonna be able to see the chat a little bit better here for you guys. I'm not fully set up in this layout. I think we're gonna change some more stuff here. I think I'll put some more things over here on the left for informational purposes on the left, but I've narrowed the bar there, and yeah, we'll do a few more things. I don't think this is the final layout of the live stream there, but we are going to see multiple time frames and all that kind of fun stuff. But yeah, here we go. This is the main chart I'll be entering in on when I'm referring to other time frames. You'll need to probably refer to your own if you've been through our training program. But for people who are just coming in with us new, you're going to see one chart and, you know, less cry. Excellent. Yeah, Plutonium, I couldn't get your change to work. I'm not sure if you gave me the right line for that. I was looking at the label. I think you gave me a different line for that label, but I'll play with it. Didn't have time. I was trying to get a whole bunch of stuff done all at the same time. But I would like that. Sometimes you don't know if the window is highlighted when you're trying to use your hotkeys. So I was like, it would be cool to have that highlighted in a bright orange. So I also, with this, I think I turned down the FPS down to 20, and it's a little bit shaky. I don't like it. I'm gonna watch the CPU on this new 14900. I'm gonna crank this up to 60 frames a second and see if YouTube cries about it. So give me just one moment here. Check 1 2, check 1 2. It's still at 20. 1 second. Okay, test 1 2, test 1 2. Let's see, 60 frames a second at 4K. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to keep up or not. I'm going to watch the CPU speed, 5 point. I'm not getting over 5.7 steady, so I'm going to have to play with the overclocking on this thing. Can you guys hear me now? Test 1 2, test 1 2. We are now 60 frames a second. If you heard me just say that, type 60 in the chat. I was hoping it would cause my PC to upper band touch. All right, and we're on a cipher up on the 5s. I'm going to give that a shot here for T1, T2 off of the 4s. You guys currently can't see that right now, but that's what I'm targeting there.
Target filled.
Structural play plus we've got the 28 range just touched into the bowl and a cipher. Multiple things going on right there. I'll show it to you here in a second. I'm going to add to position on that. I don't think we're just going to snap right back up, but you never know. Using my hotkeys. And of course I've got risk to work with because, I mean, I'm up 45K on the day. Come on. I got a little wiggle room, you know what I'm saying? I'll show you guys that chart here in just a moment.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28th.
Yeah, you're touching into that band. So I'm trying to smack you down, but you're trying to be nasty on me. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not really as easy as a racquetball here because the speed is slow. We're grinding up, so it's not going to be an easy drop. And MACVU just shifted to green. It was neutral earlier. Look at the MACVU. It just shifted green. So hopefully it shifts back to neutral here and gives me a spot to get a little bit here on a move. If not, we'll have to take that one in a draw.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28th.
I know, that's what I'm looking at. I thought we were going to get like a nice 20, 30, 40 tick drop. There you go. Just didn't want to do it when I wanted to do it. I heard AlgoBox kicking at the back of that shark. Here's the business.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28th.
I know. Trying to get it to go. Oh, she finished the bar. Okay. So that's a new bar. Alright, so now it should come up. Hoping we could finish out that bar there. I need to get my little bar measuring tool there so that doesn't happen. Thank you very much.
NQ on the 28th.
Well, don't everybody front run my orders all at once now. Oh my word.
New bar.
Speed of NQ 57. Two-finger NQ on the 28th. Divergence up NQ on the 9.
Target.
All right, it looks like they're gonna possibly fiddle fart right here in the middle of the golden ropes here on the 28. So I'm gonna wait for potentially an Enigma to come in here now to give me the easy entry here. Want to make sure we're not flat. We're not, so I'm gonna go ahead and enable. Okay, new bar. Getting speed up. Now I'm looking for that racquetball play. Speed up. Everybody's going to be looking up. Now I want that trap. Give me an entry.
Two-finger NQ on the 28th.
Okay, so that was that two finger had set up there in the middle of the golden ropes. We came up to the top, we went fast, racquetball play, taking a little stab off of the top of the rope. And remember on the 89, we're also up here. We've touched that band and we've got space below us to get to the band underneath. So it would be easier if we had an actual entry. Like I got not getting very many entries here. Here comes king timing. Let's see if that wakes it up. On the fours though, we're right in the middle of medium. So on the four, let's see if I can show you guys top left. Let me move training top left. Can y'all see this? Yeah, so that's the fours. Let me move this down here. Bottom left and then top left. I'll put it right here. That's bottom left. Twos, this is fours. So, big move might come here in between large and king, between this little area here. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on here before I execute on this lower time frame right here. You like the single screen? You guys tell me feedback wise. Do you guys like seeing the single screen and me popping in between and kind of talking about the others, or do you like to see them all? What are your, kind of give me your feedback here today and we'll figure out how we're going to lay this out for everybody to see it the best. Okay, we're in large timing on the fours. Diamond butterfly held it, pushed it up. Singles better? Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'll talk about the others. You'll need to have your charts open for what I'm referencing, and we'll see how that goes and make sure people kind of understand that. You like the back and forth? Okay. Yeah, I bought some foot pedals, so I will be able to possibly switch between. So without moving my hands, I'll be able to switch screens with my feet. How about that? See, I love you guys. Vinny bought foot pedals for me for Father's Day. He loves me. It's true.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th.
Well, that kind of told you. I didn't have to say it out loud. The bot told you, but there's that green touch there. You should have that on. I'm on the 28 right now. I know that's not, I don't think that's the weekly one. What, somebody tell me what is the optimized range this week on the wave, please. Someone could help me out.
Lower bands touch
40,
NQ on
thank
the
you.
28th.
Okay, Mac VU just shifted to neutral. Okay, that's an ignition bar on the 28th. So we might have some space up above us, up to 19,677.75. Wow, it just went straight there. Okay, well, I'm going to tap into that. I don't think that's going to just go straight through it. No, it's not.
Enigma
Target
short on the
filled.
NQ4.
Beautiful. $500 away from 50K. Let's go. Get some 50K hype in the chat. And we just got Enigma on the 4s. Here we go, baby. Crank up the jams. It is time.
I'm taking names, it's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, breaking false hope.
Two finger NQ on the 28th.
Fading algorithms, beast in this game. Competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Breaking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes,
Target
unraveling
filled.
the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast. beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, I am the man. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, bringing false hope. But I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Making scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, bringing false hope. But I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Making scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28th.
in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, bringing false hope.
Probably have to finish out this bar.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 28.
Okay, new bar.
Every day, taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand.
7 minutes till 3.
Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers make my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28.
I know, I see that.
Charts and graphs, it's a
Sliding up the band.
got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using
New bar on the 89.
NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT bring false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28.
Breaking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28.
With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers make my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT bring false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28.
It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming
Target filled.
shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing
Target-
the
Speed up
shady
NQ
frame.
128.
Target filled.
Of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. box in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand, using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader.
Target filled.
I've seen all the scams like ICT bringing false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope, with my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Like the scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's
Target
insane.
filled.
Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand, using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader. I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT bringing false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope, with my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Like the scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain.
2-finger NQ on the 28th.
Exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand, using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader. I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT bringing false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope, with my trading scope. codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market.
Finger NQ on the 28th.
Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like I see bringing false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope, fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. With competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Breaking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand. Using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader, I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT, bringing false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope.
All right, too much of a not fun battle here for me. I'm going to reset here and look to see where we're at. This thing is just continuing to creep up here. Too slow. No fun. Thought it was about to get real fun, and then it got real not fun, boring, not happening. And there's a prior high up above us that we had to address. We remember I said that, well, if we don't just absolutely bake it and come back down, this could grind up, do one of those pop-ups on a Friday, R1 and prior high, sitting right here for the attraction point. So they could just, they look like they trapped down. Come down here on the bottom left, what we see. I'm gonna get better at doing this. Here we go. So we got this beautiful snap down, and then chugga, whoop, and then 18.5. So I'm like, oh, cool. We're gonna take that short note, and then we're doing this number, gonna grind up to the high of day, but not touch it. You know, whatever. But you gotta be careful of that. I'm not going to give up all of it just to smash in. I have been over 50k at some point. I think it was at 50k 700. But here we are. So I'm not within a $400 superstition, but I'm in with a $4,000 superstition now. You're adding zeros to the size. So that's where I'm currently sitting here. We've got plenty of time still. 3:08. I believe this final hour is probably going to be pretty violent. I think the best place they could put it would be on the golden ropes of the 89, which is technically still down below us. But it is a Friday and the market does what the market wants to do. So I'm going to try to find some entries. I haven't seen an Enigma in forever. It should be pretty telling. When was the last Enigma we saw? Make sure it's turned on. And are we on L2? Yep, L2. I'm gonna press refresh on this chart just to be sure. Okay. So it changed a little bit of the data here, but not enough to write home about. Well, no, it's not about the Enigma taking the day off. It's what the market, it's reading the markets. It's waiting until the markets have handed it the soup. Lots of things going into that Enigma. And it just hasn't given it. Here's a PRZ cross shot. I'll toe in on that. See if they will hold it under. The zone is here. We had a big deal here and a minor event down there. 10,000 long there. See if she'll get down into that back crab or not. See the other side of the zone one more time before we make a run. What time? 3:10. Yeah, the last one I see was at 2:45. Okay, two crosses at the top of a zone.
DCDMNQ on the 2. DCDMNQ on the 2.
Okay, that bar did not complete on the 28th, so gonna see if it will complete.
Fib.NQ
Oh, it did. It
on the
pin
9.
barred. Oh boy. It looks like this zone is tightening. Now the bottom of the zone is right there. Alright, somebody tell the market that I'm asleep now, so she'll wake up and do her thing. Okay, 2 crosses at the bottom of the zone. Get long. Track of the cipher. Add to position. Take half my position at the top of the zone. Pulled back into the shark. New bar on a 28. $600 away from 50K. The battle is still on. And the top of the zone is I like to think of the basketball analogy when it comes to playing defense. Okay, I think my mic is jacked. Hold on. All right, mic check. Can you still hear me okay? Okay. You know, if you're losing ground against a team when you're playing defense one-on-one, when you got your guys going one-on-one, sometimes you fall back to zone defense, right? So, I mean, it feels like that's what we're doing right now. Zone defense. So, play the zone, right? Look, it's a very clear zone. Double cross at the bottom of a zone, up. Double cross at the top of a zone, down. Okay. Play it for a bit. And remember, prior high and R1 still sitting up above us. So we had not, if we had already touched those today, I mean, have we? No, we have not touched those today. So, you know, it could suck it up to that, especially on a Friday. And before they are forced hands to sell their positions in all-time highs, they could run it up and, you know, create a euphoric scenario on Fridays. People go into the weekends euphoric. People aren't going to be dumping their stocks while smart money unloads on Monday. And they'll blame it on something else. Your stream's bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. That we recommend that you use a stream bit of 23,500. 23,500. Oh. Well, let's try that. Give me just one moment. 23,500. All right, and we're back. Let's see if the quality goes up and if my CPU. I hope my CPU gets up over 5.7. We're at 5.48 right now on my processor. I've got a 14900. I'm trying to get her up to 6 gigahertz. All right, the bit rate little thing went away, so hopefully things are nice and clear on the live stream. Okay, I think this is an interesting chart to be watching here. Still yet to have an enigma. This one always on top. If you right click a chart and click always on top, so now I can still click here without this one going behind it. Just FYI if you guys are doing stuff like that. Okay, cross number 1. New bar. I'm going to turn on my new bar notifier. So I'm going to add this indicator called the new bar indicator to this chart. Bar notifier. And I don't want text. Don't want it to auto scale. Don't display. Turn off price markers. Nothing visual about it. All right, I'm gonna save workspace.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
Okay, double cross at the top of a zone. Should be able to short that but it's going against the favorable direction right now. It is strong buy on the MAC VU, so I'm holding off on that one only because of this right here. That is, we have shifted, and then boom, strong buy. Not shorting into that.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28th.
Okay, now potentially push it back inside. At the same time, we are not at the prior higher R1 up above us yet. So I need something juicy. Yeah, the near all-time high is actually that prior high we talked about right there. That's it right there. That is the all-time high right there, prior high. So on a Friday, be a perfect time for them to run it up to it. Be a great narrative for them to talk about going into the weekend. Keep everybody euphoric. While we've got Russian ships sitting off the coastline and all the smart money starts bailing out, probably at the end of the day. We may see a massive sell-off at the end of the day after it hits all-time highs one more time. That way they can say, oh, we hit all-time highs again today, and then we kind of sold off. Blah, blah, blah. Perfect narrative on a Friday. And with the, you know, if you're a smart person, knowing Russia being off the coast, 90 miles off the coast of Florida, and Joe Biden pissing everyone off is not a good place. If you've got money in the markets, smart money's like, oh, hell no. So if they bail at the end of the day, or if not, they're definitely bailing on Monday, Tuesday, and they'll blame it on contract rollover, so they've got an excuse. They always need an excuse, right? You have to have an excuse to cover your moves. Hey, thanks, Scott.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28th.
They're gonna start moving when I take my fingers off the keys? Come on, that's rude. Alright, first Alpha Omega after a move up. Usually gonna take a shot at that.
Upper bands down NQ on the 28th.
Okay, she said no. I'll wait for a second one. Avsies. Two-minute warning till BTFD. $400 from 50K. Oh my goodness. The $400 superstition is in. That last $400 is always the hardest for me. Always. Don't know what it is with me in the markets. It was literally $5 away. I'm not kidding you. I saw 49995. Not even shitting you right now. 4995. I'm not even joking. Was not going to go one more tick. It knows. The market, she knows.
NQ on the 20th.
See? That last 400 bucks, guys and gals. Insane. It was 4995. Not even kidding. 49995. It was one tick away. So I didn't size appropriately. Had I been one contract larger, it's game over. 50K locked in. Insane. Switch to micros. I'm not turning into ICT, okay? I'm not gonna be an ICT student. All right, I'm not doing ICT. I've got my dignity. Not much of it, but I am switched to the tiny ATM. At the same time, why do it now? Actually, I gotta switch. Sorry, I'm way away from it now. I'm at 900 away now, so I'm not doing tiny. I'm gonna go small though. Go 5 small. 5 smallsies. King timing. 50 cent. Let's see if she's got a little left in her. You said, nah, that'd be too easy, Vinny. Gotta eat you up for that $400 superstition. Whenever you try to get that last 400 bucks, I gotta eat it from you a bit. New bar. New bar. Come on. Give it to me. New bar. Drop it. Get down there. Touch it. Thank you. Get down there. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me some more. Touch me some more. You beep. Oops, did I say that? All right, she's either gonna absolutely just blast down or she's just gonna keep grinding up here, and so we'll take it either way. Are you really gonna pin bar it? Are you really gonna completely pin bar? That zone is still holding. King timing on the 4s into a 50 cent. Okay, there's the supply. Finally, it's about to go down. I'm going to turn my continuous off right now because we are flat. We are absolutely flat. But it's about to go. Finally, a supply came in. What's it going to be? Got my finger over the close. She's going to buy it.
DCDMNQ on the
Double cross, closing it. Okay. Yeah. I feel 50K slipping away. This type of speed and stuff is just not my bag. And that double cross is in the middle of the zone. It's not even like, oh, give me a double cross at the bottom of a zone? Sure. You want the top of the zone? Sure. Right in the middle, what am I going to do with that? So the one to watch now is we've done enough of that dance to go prior high and R1 up top. So let's hopefully get, oh shoot. Is it this one? I gotta always on top this thing. Right click, always on top. There we go. Okay. The last signal on the tide was a touch of the Bollinger on the top. Short push down. So if you count hitting the golden ropes, then we would say an up move. We'd also, here, big one is red. That's why it's hard to read here, because we could absolutely just fall out of here. We could absolutely just fall out. But when in a grind, do not rewind. So, or we were just grinding. So we've been grinding, we have to grind up. Which is not my favorite at all. The market is like, you've had too many easy days in a row, Vinny, I gotta throw you a hard one. And we anticipated. We said Friday would probably be difficult because we had so many easy days in a row. I don't want to say so many, but I had 2 giant windfall days. 3 giant windfall days, I guess, back to back this week. Let's talk about something else. Scott, how'd you do today, brother? What'd you hit? What's your P&L today, bro? We had a chat. Did you make some changes? Too small on my screen. I gotta get glasses to... 1600? Am I reading 1600? 1200 now? All right. Well, that's yeah, I wouldn't be surprised giving some back right now, but it's all right. Curtis, go ahead and escort Pink Fluffy Unicorn out the door. Up 1600. Excellent work. Okay, so this one there and this one here. Good spacing. She's ready. MacVU green. But it's not just NASDAQ. We've got all 4 correlated instruments, and we are at moderate buy from strong, which means when it pushes, it goes back to strong buy again. And I will take, my plan is if I see another alpha omega, like this one, another green, last one really didn't work out. Ended up getting some off of it thanks to the bottom of this zone. But what I like to see is one of those and then another one smaller, and then usually that's an easier entry. Didn't get it on that one. But hopefully with the next one, depending on how it comes in, I'd like to see an alpha omega green again, and then look for a shot to be to the long side. I think I need to set this to auto scale. I remember I turned that earlier. Let's do that. Flagging. Oh, it's on auto scale. I don't know why I was doing that then. I must have messed with it. Okay, that is stair stepping down. I'm gonna give it a shot for a drop. That's not a straight leg scenario. It's marching down. So stairway to heaven. There we go. And highway to hell. There we go. Beautiful. All right, there's the 13. That's what I said I would try to get long on after a move. I'll put my stop at the bottom of the cross if it doesn't work out. Gonna go for the first alpha omega.
Touch NQ on the 28th.
Nope. Boo. New 89 bar. Huge delta flag on what chart, David? Okay, looks like it's gonna, we got a continued grind there. I'll give it a little bit more. Here comes king timing. Stop above the cross. Deeper Deeper stop on the other side of it.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th. Initial long on the NQ2.
Oh boy. Are we flat?
Tar
All right, I'm gonna give the Enigma a shot.
target filled.
Run her up to 20.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th.
I'm not kidding you. It said 49640. $400 superstition. Literally just yanked it again. It went straight to the 20 target.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th.
All right, switching to tiny. $400 superstition right now. 49,570.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th.
Get there. $400 superstition. Let's go. Let's go.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 28th.
$400 away from 50K. The 450, I'm sorry, the $400 superstition is in. MacVU says green. Two-minute warning. Oh boy, there's the region warning. 2-minute warning. 2 minutes till the 350 algo. Yeah, that 400 thing is crazy, is it not? I mean, it's like it knows. Weird. All right, I need Curtis to sing to me. I'm just being
NQ
honest.
on the 9th.
Holding on your tricks, Got me 10 feet off the
Let's go.
Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait,
Left hand buy, right hand sell.
it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late.
350 algo coming in seconds.
HIP.NQ on the 28th.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and play along. AlgoBox is true. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late.
You know you've made it when your P&L starts looking like a phone number. Just call me 497-2500.
Speed of NQ75.
It's still saying strong buy on Mac VU. So, and we did not hit that prior high yet. Are we just going to sprint there in 3 minutes? Smash that like, let's go. We need 2 more likes to get to 100. There's 123 people here. Get those likes in, let's go. We're running out of time. We're running out of time. We're running out of time.
Now and see what can be found. AlgoBox, and never miss the game.
2 minutes.
Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady.
CDMNQ on the 4th.
I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made.
Double cross just came in on the 4s. Let's look at this. Top left. Here we go. See if we move up here.
Unraveling the scam with AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand, using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader. I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT bringing false hope, but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope, fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names. It's insane.
Which one's it going to be? Prior high or prior close? Type it in the chat if you're not going to take a trade. What do you think? Prior highs or prior close? Where are we going? The golden ropes are down below us. All-time highs above us. We've got 7 minutes. Lucky sevens right now.
Scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand.
Is that a third cross? That is now a cluster. This should be long. We've moved down, and that is a cluster. Down, cluster, that should go up. This is going to be insane. This is going to be absolutely insane. I've never seen, I don't say never. It is when it gets this still after the 350 algo, and it's a Friday, underneath all time. And now it's another cluster. We should be looking up. Oh boy. If it breaks though, look out below. Holy schnikes.
It's too late to miss the game.
Fear of military conflict. No joke. FOMC. Fear of military conflict. Good point. Oh my. Oh my. Another cross. There's 2 crosses now on the 2s. Holy shizbits. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Okay, is that the fake move? Okay, did they just get everybody to press sell? Here comes the buy. Wait for it. Is it? Or are we gonna get some more sell? Oh, what's it gonna be? Oh, oh, it's getting intense.
Trades got me 10 feet off the ground.
BCDMNQ on the 2.
Another double cross on the 2s. Screw it. Oh, I'm just gonna toe in. Whatever. I'm just gonna toe in. Oh my word, a new bar on the 89s. We could just drop here too. It's crazy. Oh man, it's crazy. Every day. Unraveling the scam with AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. I got the upper hand, they can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with algos in my hand, using AlgoBox on NinjaTrader. I'm playing the big brand. I've seen all the scams like ICT bringing false hope. But I'm here to expose them with my trading scope, Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. With competition, I'm taking names. It's insane, algorithmic precision. Scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady flame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Making scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here. 2 minutes to the close. There's the 2-minute warning. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in demand. I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off. Sing it to me, baby.
Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late.
Give me that 50K. Give me some 50K in the chat. What's up, everybody? Give it to me.
Yeah, boy.
Oh. Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I don't think so. You got broke.
What?
DCBMNQ on the 4.
You lack conviction.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 28. Upper bands touch
God, that's something that I need.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 20.
Oh, we touched the prior high. We touched the prior high. Look, we did it. We did it. All right, now it's probably going to sell off like a mofo. Oh, there it is at the bell. See, they pushed it right there to the bell, and now smart money's going to sell it out of that. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Look at it. So juicy. Bloop, ding. Is why when in a grind, we do not rewind. I don't care how it feels to you. That's the whole point. They make you feel like it's going down, make you feel like it's going to come back. Like, oh, yes, it's not, you can't go any farther. Oh, it's run out of juice. All the things that you've learned in your whole life work against you in trading. But thank goodness for AlgoBox. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchspot, Mod Quads, Curtis G, and Eddie B, I am sending out the big H-Town. See ya! Art team. Tell them how it's done. Happy Father's Day. Best deal of the year running right now on the pricing page.
Speed of NQ99. Speed of NQ99.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta vibrating. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down on freeze. Order filled. Target filled.